Okay, so we are making banana nut bread in the bread machine today. So I've got 2 beaten eggs, a stick of melted butter, and about a teaspoon of vanilla, a cup of mashed bananas. I'm going to give this a stir. Now we're going to move over to the bread machine. I'm going to put my wet ingredients in. I've already sprayed my pan. I got my dry ingredients, which is my flour, sugar, salt, baking soda or powder. So nuts, I'm going to pour it in on top of my wet ingredients. Smooth it out. Okay, I've dropped it down into my bread machine. I'm going to plug it in. Alright, first I want to select my crust color, which I want light. My menu select, I want number 7, which is the quick bake selection, and just gonna hit start, and it's just gonna start mixing up, and there we go. It's gonna take it about 1 hour and 43 minutes. Okay, we can peek down in there and it's mixing all the dough up, so we will check back in on this periodically. Our banana bread is looking good. Got about 22 minutes to go. Okay, so we are all done. We are fixing to pull it out and dump it onto a platter.